Hi everybody, this is Jill Richmond. The resource that I chose is Thinking Blocks from Math Playground. I chose this resource because my focus area is number sense and basic facts, which students would benefit from when using this website. This resource would target Nebraska Math Standards 3.1.H, where third grade students would communicate number sense concepts using multiple representations to reason, solve problems, and make connections with mathematics and across disciplines. This website offers many activities for students. On their homepage, you will see games for different skills. If you scroll down, you will see videos that explain how to navigate the different skills and activities. I'm going to be showing you Thinking Block Addition in a second, and these videos go through each set that is available and explains how to solve each problem. I think these videos would be a good starting point for students or somewhere where they can go when they reach frustration or confusion. So I chose the Thinking Blocks Addition, and when you click on it, several sets are available. You can see here that it starts with part whole, 2 parts, and goes down to random models, which would be mixing them, or the hardest one is compare with 3 steps. So I'm going to show you the part whole with 2 parts. It's the problem, the word problem is up here at the top, and the step-by-step instructions are down here at the bottom. One thing I really like about this website is that it has the ability to read the problems to the students. So the instructions are down here, and it says read the word problem. Can you find the parts in whole? Build a model. Drag blocks and labels to the targets in the work area. Tap the check mark when you're ready. The problem is my school is selling magazines to raise money for new science books. The first person to sell 35 magazines wins the grand prize. I've sold 12 magazines so far. How many more magazines must I sell to win the grand prize? So, total amount would be up here at the top for your label. Amount sold and amount left to sell. How many more magazines must I sell to win the grand prize? So once I get my parts in place, I can click on this green check mark. Then it brings the numbers over here for me to drag over. Total number would be the 35 magazines. Okay, I have already sold 12 magazines. How many more must I sell? So when I'm ready, I will click on the green check. Okay, then it brings over this number pad over here. It also has a drawings tool for the kids. So I would put 35 minus 12. If their motor skills aren't great like mine, you could, I would suggest using a whiteboard or paper pencil, or even manipulatives would be good too. So when you're ready, you found your answer, you can click on the correct answer, okay, and then click your check. Okay, I got that one right. So you can see down here that I've answered 1 question correctly, and I have to answer 5 to master this set. And then I can move on to part whole with 3 parts. I can see, I think I will use this resource as a bell ringer, as a way to introduce it to my students. And when I feel like they can handle this resource on their own, I will add this website to the technology station where students can work through the skills independently and progress to the harder level skills. Eventually, they could move on to Thinking Blocks for multiplication, fractions, etc. Thanks for listening.